Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek can show you how to make a drink called Fall from the Tree. I stole this from liquor.com, created by Jim Maheen again, or maybe not. I don't know where I got this drink. I feel like this is a copy and paste issue from the last one.
It's all right. Don't worry about it.
It's a cocktail. It's going to be good.
We got it from somewhere. We didn't make it.
I feel like it is liquor.com, but I might have.
If you don't like it, you can go yell at them.
Yeah.
Right. Whoever
it was somebody
is.
professional.
Yeah.
It was somebody that's not us. They were professional. They probably did this for a job. We just sit here and drink, and 400 people don't watch it. So,
and we judge whether they're...
Yeah, we judge whether their shit's good or not.
Right. In which we have we've made so many cocktails, I think we can at least do that.
We can.
The recipe breakdown is going to be 1.5 ounces of Laird's applejack. You can use bourbon if you don't have it. 1 ounce of fresh apple juice, 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup, if we can get it. 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Got that. Dash of Bitter Truth aromatic bitters. I have Bitter Truth's Jerry Thomas bitters because I have way too many bitters and I don't know where I put my aromatics. But Jerry Thomas is better. This is Bergen Hout. They have two brands. They have Bitter Truth and Bergen Hout. Okay. This one's just so they can get through TSA. TTB guidelines, yeah. So they can sell it in a place that's not a bar or a liquor store. And then apple slice. Because I bought like 14 apples, so we can have a slice.
Yeah, but pink ladies are good.
Pink ladies are good.
Yeah, it's fun.
Not as good as the crisp ones, but those are
the Cosmic Crisp.
No, honey crisp.
Honey crisp, yeah, those are good too.
Well, those might be too early for honey crisp, and the cost. I'd have to get another mortgage. Yeah.
They are.
It might be too early for any fruit.
Because everybody wants them.
I know.
Honey crisp are so expensive.
Yeah, it's like $2 a pound or something.
They're so good though.
They are the best.
That's what, like, do you want apples or you want good apples?
Yeah. Just want apples. It all depends who's eating. If I'm eating them, it's different.
If I'm making it.
If the kids are eating them,
right.
Make their shit.
Like 4 apples.
Because they're just going to put peanut butter on them anyways.
Apple. What the fuck? Yeah, whatever.
Peanut butter.
That's how I eat my apples too.
Apple.
If you're making like an apple crisp, I just use Macintosh apples or whatever's on sale because you're starting to crush them up and I'm good to go.
You're just going to put brown sugar and shit on them anyways.
Right. It's sort of like why you don't use high-end bourbon to make a whiskey sour.
Yeah.
Same thing. It's just with apples.
I mean, you could.
You could do anything you want.
Yeah, but I mean, you don't want to
Like
like mask it.
but yeah.
A waste, yeah.
Yeah.
That's really good bourbon. You just want
Look at that. There's going to be some fancy apple juice.
12.
I can feel it.
I am.
You can't cut it with a plastic on it.
Yeah,
Challenge accepted.
So it's already like you're already down.
Oh, you do like an apple slice like that?
What are you doing?
Oh,
you're cutting the apple the wrong way.
He's slicing the apple.
Yeah.
You're going to get the core in it.
No, he wants to get a whole round.
That would work better if I.
Brown sugar on top.
Leave him alone. He's about to cut into his finger.
If I gave you, he won't cut his finger with that knife.
You got to cut it in the jam.
At some point, you're going to get to the seed, right? I could have got you a better knife.
No.
I didn't know you were going to do knife tricks.
Damn it.
How are you trying to put it so he floats right on top? I figured it out by the time you're done.
He's got it.
He hasn't got it.
He's
got
now.
He's
gonna
got
get it
15
right now.
slices of apples, and he's going to sit there and eat them while we all talk.
Yep.
I know exactly how this game plays out. He's been doing it since the first time he was on the show. He eats all kinds of random shit.
I'm pretty predictable.
No, Brady.
You know what he
That's
used to
the
do?
perfect.
Yeah, do it.
He also used to. Oh, is it too big now? Didn't you just like suck on like different weird?
Brown sugar on that. Burn it up.
Smoke it while you're there. Get a smoker.
You got some brown sugar?
I don't have. I was not expecting brown sugar for this specific drink, but I own brown sugar. And is that doing anything?
I don't know.
There's a little too much water in this apple, I think.
A little too much water in the apple.
Right.
It's a brand new apple. It came fresh.
It's smoking.
It is
It's smoking.
Put it here.
It's pretty though.
Make sure
It's
that
like it's got a flower in the middle.
What do you pink line?
Oh,
I
I'm
know,
excited
dude.
for that.
I can barely see right now.
It looks like a piece of like star anise on top, doesn't it?
Oh God, he's playing. You want to drink it? No.
Yes, I do want.
He's gonna play the fruit. You can.
Oh, I can go first.
I mean, yeah, why not?
All right.
I mean, you haven't had a lot to drink yet, so figure we'd start you up. Get you going.
Oh.
Well, that's the reaction's already better than the last drink.
It tastes like something. I can't put my finger on it.
I like how the apple kisses my lips when I take a sip, though.
I meant to impart a kiss when I did that.
Yeah. You need like a little red kiss.
Taking the seeds out.
because you wouldn't want seeds in there.
You're gonna eat the pork.
It's a little sweet.
But sweet's good.
Cinnamon comes through.
Yeah.
Definitely comes in.
It tastes like another drink.
This one. Yeah, it tastes like every drink. It tastes like apple cider.
No. It tastes like.
I almost get clove out of there, and there's no clove in there.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm excited.
It's this, because this is very,
Oh, yeah,
very
yeah.
Angostura like.
Yeah, no, the bitter. Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Mmm. It's very good. Don't give it to them yet. I'm not done with it.
If you don't have like
That means he likes
the
it.
bitter truth or the Bergen Hauk, you could totally use Angostura in this for the base.
Yeah.
How beautiful that was.
The bitters do play like the cinnamon with the
look at
bitters.
you.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Mm.
That is picture
Was it worth me fucking up a bunch of cuts?
Yes.
No, yeah, this is got a lot of clove in it.
The bitters do.
You're like, why is it so blurry?
It's like apple and Christmas.
Yeah, I mean,
It's like
so
very fallish.
these
very-
two things here give you holiday.
Yes.
Then the apple juice does the rest. I don't actually get a lot of lemon in here. The lemon's probably just to
There's
counteract
a balance
the-
there.
Yeah.
Like otherwise, it would be a little cinnamon. So it gives you the ability to get the cinnamon flavor.
It's not
without
like too
sweetness.
sweet. Yeah. The
'Cause
the cinnamon's there without the like punch in the
like,
face of sweetness.
outside of alcohol, sugar is the best thing that you can use to extract flavor. So if you want to extract flavor,
And it's a half ounce. It's a
That's
half ounce.
significant.
It's,
That's really
for
a
that
lot of
drink,
cinnamon.
that's
it's really good.
Hey, we need to make that at Christmas.
Yeah, that's a good one.
This is our Thanksgiving drink.
Fall from the tree.
we say this every year, and
What
then
is that?
come Thanksgiving, we never remember what the hell
No.
the drink was, but maybe we'll remember.
And
Friendsgiving.
No.
Thanksgiving, second weekend in
That
November.
sounds
Second weekend?
Yeah.
Cool. I took Thursday through the rest of the month off. I
Yeah.
think. What's
Second
going
week in
on?
November.
Um,
Everybody make sure your cars are out of the way.
We sure did.
Oh, you're not leaving? Okay.
we recommend you make the drink. Bottom line, create the drink. It's
This is
not
a
that
good drink.
complicated.
Yeah.
Also, I think you can use a coupon code FALL. I think I'll put the thing down below for onstdrinks.com for 20% off. That's it.
Yeah.
We're teaching you how to drink.